As you can see here, we have satellites that are installed on each node. And then the controller is independent and can be anywhere in the cluster or maybe out of the cluster. That depends on your setup, your preference. And the LINSTOR has an API library, and driver library, and the CLI for the interaction interfaces. And OpenNebula plugin connects the OpenNebula with the LINSTOR controller. And within the LINSTOR, you have resources, and those resource volumes in LINSTOR is reflected as a backend disk in OpenNebula, VMs or other things. So, and with this replicated resources within LINSTOR, shared between the nodes, gives you the power of live migration in the cluster. And LINBIT SDS also supports the latest OpenNebula version 6, which is the Mutara perfectly. So, and one more thing that I want to give you the information between the LINBIT and OpenNebula. So both companies are working for open source community, and we have been around like more than 20 years, and they have been around, I don't know, 15, 16, right, Michael? I think it's 16, right? More than 16 years. And both systems are capable of working in many Linux distributions, and both systems are focused on many different cases. And LINBIT SDS is, because of the DRBD, is especially tailored for high performance and low latency environments, but we are also good at the edge computing or many other cases because of the LINSTOR's flexibility. And the OpenNebula is simple, efficient, and it works great. And same goes for the LINBIT SDS. We have like millions of installations with our software in the community. And both systems can give you the power of no vendor lock-in. So this is really important these days, especially people are suffering from budget and so many things. So this will give you a really great power in terms of talking with the vendors if you want to buy a couple of new ones. Yeah, so this is pretty much the common things between the LINBIT and OpenNebula.